In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free $10 from Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to claim the bonus smoothly and avoid the common pitfalls that can make you miss out. First, a quick overview. Sendwave is a money transfer app that lets you send funds internationally. The free $10 offer is a referral bonus designed for new users. Typically, you need to be creating a fresh account, enter a valid referral code, and complete your first transfer. Promotions can vary by country, currency, and timing, so always check the latest terms in the app. Start by downloading and opening the Sendwave app from your device's official app store. Make sure you're installing the legitimate app by checking the developer name and reviews. Allow the app to update if prompted, so you're on the most current version, which helps the promo apply correctly. Next, create your new account and set up your profile. Use accurate personal information that matches your ID, since money transfer services often require verification for security and compliance. You may be asked to confirm your phone number or email, and in some regions, to upload an ID. Setting up now helps your first transfer go through without delays. If you plan to fund with a card or bank account, have those details ready so you can add them when prompted. Now look for the promo code section inside the app. It may appear during sign up, in your profile, or under promotions. Tap it, and carefully enter a valid referral code shared by an existing Sendwave user. Type it exactly as given, including any letters or numbers. Some bonuses only apply to brand new accounts and certain corridors, so make sure you're eligible before moving on. Proceed to make your first money transfer using the app. Choose the destination country, enter the recipient's details, select how they'll receive the money, and pick your funding method. Review the exchange rate and any fees, and check if a minimum transfer amount applies to qualify for the bonus. Double-check names and account numbers before sending to avoid delays. After your first successful transfer, the free $10 bonus is typically credited automatically. You'll either see it as a balance or as a discount on that transfer or your next one, depending on the current promotion. If you don't see it right away, give it a short time to post and confirm that the code was applied. If needed, reach out to in-app support with your transfer details. That's it. Download, sign up, enter the promo code, make your first transfer, and enjoy your $10 bonus. Thanks for watching and happy saving.